Smart Tutorials. Grain bowls, Greek style. Why grain bowls? They increase fiber and nutrient intake. They're adaptable to a variety of ingredients. Make it your own. An easy way to get all food groups in one meal. Ingredients for grain bowl: brown rice, chickpeas or garbanzo beans, grilled chicken, red onion, cucumber, carrots, lemon, garlic, kalamata or black olives, feta cheese, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Ingredients for cucumber dill sauce: fresh dill, Greek yogurt, shredded cucumber, crushed garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. Step 1. Cook brown rice and add it as base to your bowl. Step 2. Add your protein to the bowl. Here we have chicken. Plant-based could be a bean or meat alternative. Step 3. Roast the chickpeas with salt, pepper, and garlic at 350 degrees for around 20 minutes. Chickpeas add protein and to the Greek style of this grain bowl. Step 4. Use half of your cucumber to add slices to the bowl. Shred the other half for the cucumber dill sauce. Step 5. Now for the sliced red onion. Step 6. For that pop of orange, it's time for the grated carrot. Step 7. Marinated and pitted kalamata olives to really bring in those Greek flavors. Step 8. Make the cucumber and dill sauce using Greek yogurt, crushed garlic, dill, shredded cucumber, olive oil, and lemon juice. Use what you have on hand to make your own grain bowl recipes. A rainbow of ingredients means you get a mix of nutrients and it's eye-catching. Additional resources: Food Bank NYC, foodbanknyc.org, Plentiful App, plentifulapp.com. Text food to pantry 726-879. Additional resources: NYC Well, nycwell.cityofnewyork.us, 1-888-692-9355, or text WELL to 65173. Safe Horizon, safehorizon.org, 1-800-621-4673. Thank you for watching. Please visit smartuniversity.org for more information on our programs, to donate, or follow us on other social media platforms. Major support for Smart Tutorials provided by the New York Women's Foundation.